Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dima Tutorials Ask Class. Dima Tutorials Ask Class is an educational channel on YouTube. And what I do here is to help students prepare for the exams on government and literature. In my last video of WASSCE 2023 past questions revision, I stopped at question 13. Okay, so today I'm going to start from question 14. Okay, now let's dive in. One of the functions of the electoral management body is to, we have option A, interpret the electoral laws fairly, B, look for external sources beside the government to fund its operations, C, engage in business to increase its financial capacity, D, conduct training programs for presidential candidates. Okay, now which of these options is one of the functions of electoral management body? The correct answer to this question is option A, interpret the electoral laws fairly. Okay, that's one of the functions of electoral management body. Okay, for example, INEC, as we have it in Nigeria, one of its functions is to interpret the electoral law fairly. Okay, now let's see the next one. On question 15, we have the rigid nature of a constitution makes it dash. You have option A, easy for quick review, B, complicated for amendment, C, infallible arid standard, D, accessible to all. Okay, I believe you already know what a rigid constitution is. A rigid constitution is a written constitution. Okay, a rigid constitution is usually a written constitution and is a kind of constitution that you do not add or remove from easily. Okay, so one of the one of the major characteristics of a rigid constitution is that it's very difficult. It's difficult for you to amend it. For you to amend a rigid constitution, it has to go through a lot of processes. Okay, so option B is the correct answer, complicated for amendment. Now you have question 16. Bicameral legislature contributes to the democratic process by, we have option A, recommending the use of force in policy implementation, B, imposing programs and policies on the executive, C, widening the scope of political participation, D, suppressing minority rights. Okay, now how does bicameral legislature contribute to democratic process? Okay, I believe you already know what bicameral legislature is. A bicameral legislature is a legislature that has two chambers. Okay, like we have in Nigeria. Okay, we have the Senate and we have the lower house. Okay, the House of Representatives. The upper house is the Senate and the lower house is the House of Representatives. So we practice bicameral legislature because we are practicing federal system of government in Nigeria. So bicameral legislature, how does it contribute to democratic process? Now let's see the options again. Recommending the use of force in policy implementation, of course, is not. Okay, that's not the reason bicameral legislature is there, and that's not a way of contributing to the democratic process in a country. Okay, option B, we have imposing programs and policies on the executive, of course not. That's not a way to contribute to democratic process. Okay, by imposing programs, no. Option B, widening the scope of political participation, of course, is the correct answer. Okay, widening the scope of political participation. Now, in a bicameral legislature, for any bill to be passed to law, it has to go through the lower to the higher house, okay, before the president signs it into law. Okay, so it allows for political participation, for a wider political participation. Okay, and that also contributes to the democratic process of doing things, of passing bills into law. Okay, in a country that practices bicameral legislature. Okay, by widening the scope of political participation, it contributes to democratic process. Okay, of a country that practices it. So it's not, is the correct answer. Okay, option C is the correct answer. Option D, suppressing minority rights. Okay, suppressing is not a way to demonstrate democracy. So option C is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next one. We have question 17. The judiciary occupies an important place in every state because it is, we have option A, protector of the rights of the people, B, a body of upright and just people in society, C, mandated to supervise the functions of the executive, D, a unique profession of intellectuals. Now, what's the reason for having the judiciary in every state? Why do we have courts, okay, high courts in every state? Why do we have the judiciary? Why do we have law courts in every state? Okay, now we have option A, protector of the rights of the people. Of course, this is the correct answer. Okay, the judiciary is there to protect the rights of the people. Okay, is there to protect the rights of the people. So that's why we have it in every state. Option B, a body of upright and just people in the society. Of course, is not correct. Option C, mandated to supervise the functions of the executive is not the job of the judiciary to supervise. Okay. D, a unique profession of intellectuals. There are other professions, okay, that are made up of intellectuals. So the reason why judiciary is in every state is because it's there to protect the rights of the people. So option A is the correct answer. Now we have question 18. The French colonial policies in her West African states, her West African colonies, were similar to the British in many ways, except in option A, cultural imposition, B, citizenship, C, discriminatory laws, and D, imperialism. Now, the correct answer to this question is option A, cultural imposition. Okay, cultural imposition. This is where they are different. Okay, they are different in the cultural imposition because the French colonial masters used direct rule, while the British colonial masters used indirect rule. The French colonial masters wanted to make a Frenchman out of the colonized population, but the British colonial masters did not do that. Rather, they used native laws and native leaders to actually rule their colonies. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Okay, this is where they are different. Their approaches are different. Option B, citizenship. They are similar in citizenship because both the French and the British colonial masters granted citizenship rights to a few number of people, a selected group of people of the colonized population. C, discriminatory laws. Okay, they are also similar in discriminatory laws. Both the French and the British had laws. They made laws that favored the colonial masters. Okay. Um, option D, right? Option D, imperialism. Okay, they're also similar in this aspect because the colonial masters were seeking to expand their political powers, economic powers, and cultural extension to their colonies. Okay, so this is what is also similar in their approaches in French approach to colonialism and British approach to colonialism. So what is different is in their approach to cultural imposition. Okay, while the French colonial masters used direct rule. Okay, um British did not use direct, they used indirect rule. Okay, so option A, like I said, is the correct answer. That'll be all for today. I hope you gained value from today's lesson. Thank you very much for watching. Okay, I'll see you guys again very soon. Please make sure you click on the subscribe button if you've not subscribed to this channel already. Click on the like button. It helps to make this video popular on YouTube. When you click on the like button, YouTube will recommend this video to more people. Okay, so I need you to click on the like button and please share it. Subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed already. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys again very soon.